Welcome to MREI, Medellin Real Estate Investments. On this channel, we show you the best properties in Medellin and the surrounding area. In this video, we're going to go over an apartment in Ciudad del Rio. If you know anything about Medellin and El Poblado, you know that this is one of the most sought after neighborhoods, and this one's a pretty good deal. You're going to want to stick until the end because that's where I go over all of the numbers, like the price, square meters, etc. All right, as we walk into this one, you could tell that this is a pretty new apartment. It looks new even though it was built in 2019 because the current owner remodeled and did everything new. For example, this double sink is new. That stovetop is new as well. You've got the stickers on it still. The oven under it is new as well. Adjacent to it, you have the laundry room area where you could easily fit a stackable washer-dryer combo there. Has the on-demand water heater up on the wall as well. Countertop here for more space to put maybe bar stools on the other side, make it look real nice. This is the dining room / living room area. You could easily fit a 4-person or maybe even a 6-person table there, and the living room next to it. As we walk towards the sliding door, you can see that this is a big patio. This is my favorite part of the entire apartment. I would move into it just for this. Look how amazing this is. I can see myself having barbecues out here, having coffee in the morning, overlooking this beautiful common area with a lot of greenery. I mean, this is just awesome. I mean, I want to live in it. Okay, so walking back into the apartment, we're going to the first bathroom, which is a shared bathroom. And the first thing that I notice is the big shower. I'm 6'3" and I can easily fit in there. The second thing that I notice as I pan over is the brand new sink. Very nice. Walking into the hallway, you've got a linen closet here for more storage space here. It's brand new as well. Okay, turning around, we're going into the first bedroom. Remember, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. And you could easily fit a queen-size bed in here or make this into an office. As we walk back out, we're going to head into the master bedroom, which is a lot bigger. You could easily fit a king-size bed in here. Both of them are adjacent to that patio area, which is nice. A lot of greenery there. Yeah, this one has a lot more space in it. Walking back into the... Oh, yeah, we're going to go into the bathroom here. This is the master bath. The first thing that I notice is that countertop. A lot of counter space. And the second thing was this giant shower. Way bigger than the other one. And I like big closets. This is a walk-in closet. This one, again, I'm pretty tall, and I felt like this was big enough. All right, so that's the apartment. We're going to walk back into the living room here. Look at that patio area again, and walk outside. Okay, this is the common area that we were looking at from the patio. Look how beautiful this looks. It almost looks fake. Almost like a render, like a painting or something. It's amazing. This is the kids' jungle gym here. And this was a Friday afternoon, so I guess a lot of kids were at school or something, but there weren't any at all there. So we're going to walk over to the gym here. Again, this is such a big area. This gym is really nice. I think out of all of the apartments that I've seen recently, it's the nicest gym I've seen. Now we're walking up into the first pool. This place has 2 pools. This first pool had nobody in it, to my surprise. And it's pretty big. Look at that. And it's got a little jacuzzi area over there. Or maybe it's a kid's pool. But this is the second pool. Very lovely. Over the years, I've helped people just like yourself buy their dream apartments, whether it's to live in or to rent out or for both. If that describes you, make sure to click on the link in the description to our form. Fill it out, and I'll get back to you to see if we're a good fit. Okay, so let's check out the surrounding area and why this is such a sought-after neighborhood. It's called Ciudad del Rio. The proximity to where all of the stuff that's happening in El Poblado, like all of the restaurants, the bars, the music, etc., is up here. See, this is Ciudad del Rio over here, and this is Calle 10, and this is Parque Lleras, Provenza, Parque Poblado. Manila is over here. So you've got all of the restaurants and everything pretty much walking distance from where this apartment building is, but you'd probably take an Uber. It's probably like a 5-minute Uber from Ciudad del Rio to any of these places, really, unless if there's traffic, like on a Saturday. The reason why this is such a sought-after neighborhood is because it's kind of like a little city within a city. And let me show you what I mean. So the heart of Ciudad del Rio is this park right here, and it's basically a very family-friendly dog park. Basically, you see people there every day, either doing like acro yoga, dance lessons, playing frisbee, having picnics, celebrating birthdays, walking their dogs. And every afternoon there are food trucks that park along this road right here, so you could eat out there. Whenever there's a soccer game, sometimes they put like a big giant screen in the middle of the park and people congregate there. The Museum of Modern Art is right there. You also have all of these little restaurants right here and cafes, which is really nice to have. Everything is walking distance, and it's all walkable because contrary to most of El Poblado that is on hills, this one is right on in the valley. It's flat. Another thing that this neighborhood is known for is Mercados del Rio. This is basically a hangar. It was an old airplane hangar that was converted into a place where they have a lot of different restaurants in there, a lot of seating. You could go to any restaurant, grab your food, and take a seat anywhere here. So you can tell why this neighborhood is so sought after, because it is beautiful, family friendly, a lot of things going on, but it's not noisy. It's not touristy. All right, let's get to the important stuff now, the numbers. This one is a 96 square meter apartment in Ciudad del Rio. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and it has a ton of amenities. The asking price for this one is 750 million Colombian pesos, which is about 185,000 US dollars. That brings the price of the square meter to about $2,000, which is very competitive for it being such a new apartment and having so many amenities. If you're interested in this apartment or looking for one like it, make sure to click on the link in the description to our form. Fill it out, and we'll get back to you to see if we're a good fit.